Hey guys, Shannon down at St.Albert Dodge, and I'm in front of this Laramie Longhorn I wanted to talk to you about. It's a 2020 fantastic shape and has the 3M as I mentioned on the front of it, so it's already ready to go. So not only are you buying a truck that has the depreciation already there, but it's been protected and not treated as a used truck. So it's got the power boards, nice chrome front tow hooks, really good accents that make this truck look over and above all the other trucks out there. Not to mention it also has the Ram LED headlights. They're adaptive headlights, so that's pretty cool. It also has a fantastic set of fog lamps down low, and what you're really going to like is the surround view camera, which we're going to check out together. But locking and then unlocking ability by sliding your hand to the handle. As I open the door, you'll notice our power boards come down. Those look great, go right back up. They're also obstruction sensitive, so it starts to come down. You hit something or you're in the way, it'll go back up, so no worries there. This also has a really fantastic feature on the key fob, so you press it twice. The tailgate will come down. This one just needs a little bit of lubrication, and then it will come down no problem. These tailgates are super light now, really, really easy to use, and are dampened. So as they fall down, you're not gonna have it just like smack down, and then with one hand easily put it back up. Also has the split tailgate function, so you can open it up like a set of barn doors, and that just makes it easier for loading things right in. Typically you'd have the big tailgate in your way, but this way you just put it right in. Super easy, nice and convenient to use. Has the dual exhaust as well, so down low you got two pipes coming back from your engine. Let's talk about the inside. And if you guys got any questions or anything, I hope you come into the store to find out. Hey guys, we're talking about the inside. We're going to start in the back row, which is actually 4 inches bigger than the previous generation. These seats flip up. You also get the storage compartment just down underneath this. So this will flip down and fold up, but it's a great spot to put things that would normally be rolling around. You got the nice Laramie Longhorn with the barbed wire and the cool brown floor mats, which are fantastic, and then down underneath is the Ram bin storage, so extra spot to store things. Heated ventilated seats, as well as 115 volt plug-in, just like your house. As I fold this down, you're gonna love this. Sit on this thing, pull the handle up. It's got reclining seats. Not only that, massive center console, cup holders, little storage spot, which is really cool too. Just a good spot to put things when you're in a passenger position in a vehicle. You don't want to have to not be able to put your cups anywhere. So you also got cup holders in the door, and it's super spacious back here too, even without it reclined. You'll notice I'll get into the front seat, no problems, leg room up there, and I got tons back here. So super comfortable. Let's check out the front row. Hey guys, thanks for joining me in the front row of this Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn Edition. I just think it's super cool the way they did the interior. Like, this looks like a brand on the dash, so it's not perfect, but it has that like wood brand look. Also the cattle tan leather. You got the Laramie Longhorn Edition on the seats. It also has this massive sunroof here, Panoramic as they call it. So I'll open that up. As that's going, I'll note the black headliner doesn't get all dinged up and dirty. Just a great way to have your vehicle set up, especially when you're doing truck stuff. So it opens the sunroof up, really nice, big, huge sunroof, and then I'll open the blind one more just to show you what the passengers get in the back. Trailer brake controller, factory install, or factory, yeah, it's done from the factory, but if you ever needed to get one installed, they look like this now. They're not all uncomfortable down by your knee. Right here, easy to use. Four-wheel auto as well as four-wheel high and low. Adaptive cruise control is another great feature this one has. So as you're driving down the road, it's automatically going to determine your speed, consequently from the vehicle slowing down or speeding up in front of you. You set it at 114, the person in front of you goes 112, it will slow down to 112, they get out of your way, you'll go back up to 114. Easy. You got the power tilting and telescopic steering wheel, so you can move out and in. Power folding mirrors, memory seats, it's got it all. But by far, my favorite feature that they did on the Gen 4 Ram is they made a trigonometry graph. So like if you're super nerdy and you want to do some some trigonometry on the road, you can do that. It's not my favorite thing in this truck, but I hope you get to use it. My favorite thing is this giant console down here. It's a fantastic way to store things. It's got a sliding mechanism, extra storage here with a wireless charger for your phone to slide in, 115 volt plug-in just like your house down there as well. But if you pan in just down here, you'll notice that there is 4 generations of RAM. There's 4 different trucks on the divider, and that divider, it moves up and down to separate the front and the back, and then also symbolizes the 4 different generations of RAM, which is pretty cool. So yeah, Shannon Stutes, St.Albert Dodge, showing you this beautiful Laramie Longhorn. It's got 33,000 kilometers on it. It will park itself. It's got adaptive cruise control. Not much more you could ask for in a truck, and it's got a fantastic price of under 70 grand. Shannon Stutes, St.Albert Dodge, thanks for your time.